Hi IGNOU students. Today we are going to discuss about IGNOU Term and Exam 2021 update. There are many students, they are calling us and asking about the status of term and examination of IGNOU this year for June. Now there are many people, they said due to COVID there are chances that the exam will be postponed to another date like last year, but every day we people are checking the status for the students who enroll for degree and PG courses of IGNOU. Now the question is still not confirmed whether the exam will go as it is during June or it will be postponed or not. Now I want to help you how you can check the status in IGNOU website, so you can easily get the details updated in your mobile or in your PC directly without looking for another data. If you open IGNOU website, most of the time if it is already declared, you'll be getting the details like pages like this. It will be mentioned all the details in this area, news and announcements, and there are a lot of information passing here. See here, online registration for 30th convocation. There are no changes in this since long time, and this year exam details are not confirmed yet. So this is one way that you can look the details here. And the second option is come to the headline of Indira Gandhi National Open University. There is register online. You come here. When you come here, there are different options here: home, about IGNOU, register online, student support, regional network, everything. To know the exam status, you can easily come here and press this button, register online. When you register here, you'll be getting another page and you'll be coming here, the term and exam, the one I marked here. You have to press here. There are different options here: fresh admission and re-registration, term and examination, re-evaluation, entrance exam. Here what you have to do, you have to come to term and exam and you can log in and get the details. Now since December, this page is still same like with the old information. Here if you can see the mark here, December 2020 exam, this is only details updated. The page is not updated for June 2021 exam yet. So if you come here, you can get the details here, and they will show that the late fee of 1000 rupees, and there will be a deadline here, and you can read all this area, but end of the day you will get the headline for the period of exam and the month. If it is updated here, then you can go down. Until now nothing updated here. Now in the same page, if you come down, there is a declaration and you have to tick the mark here, and if you come down, proceed to online examination form, you press here. When you press here, you can pay your fees and everything, but until now nothing is confirmed and the page is still with the old informations. So by doing this way, you can get all the details yourself in your mobile or computer, and you don't need to look for any other data. You don't need to call any other officers. You just go through the website of IGNOU and have the data in your hand yourself. And if you want to get this page directly, what you have to do, you have to use this https exam.ignou.ac.in. This is the portal page that you can get directly to IGNOU exam page. If you type this one, you will be entering to the same page for this information instead of going for any other pages. So if you type it like this, it will be more helpful for you, and you can get the term and examination 2021 update here. So you press this page always and take the updates. And if you want to get more details of IGNOU and other exam details, we most of the time we post several pages related to IGNOU exams and courses here, so you will get the information from our channel as well, so you can subscribe. So we'll come again with another subject. Thank you very much.